Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mounts Automotive. Today I got a 2014 Ram 1500 4x4. It also has a 5.7 HEMI in it. I'm going to walk around this truck, show you some features on it real fast. Here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Rims are in excellent shape. Tires are practically brand new. Got the nice chrome running board to the bottom of this truck. This truck's in extremely good shape for the year. Super clean inside and out. As you can see, there's no rips or tears in the seat. This truck has completed a 150-point inspection on it, and we also put a 30-day warranty on everything that we sell. No cracks or fading in the dash on this truck. Just overall a super nice truck, been very well taken care of. Here's a shot of your back seat. Again, no rips or tears in the back seat of this truck. There's no funny smells in here either. One more shot of your rims and tires on this truck. This truck is equipped with a tow package as well too. Again, this truck is four-wheel drive, got the nice dual exhaust back here as well. Also have the spray and bed liner. There's a little dent right there. We also have financing available as well. We have rates as low as 4.24. Shot of your back seat. Again, no rips or tears in the cloth back here. Of course, you got power windows, power locks, automatic lights. No rips in the driver's seat or tears. As I mentioned earlier, truck is four-wheel drive. Got your AC controls there. Obviously, you have a radio, cruise control as well. Again, this is a 2014 Ram 1500 4x4, clean CARFAX, one owner. If you have any questions on this truck, my name is Tim Dawson. Feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Thank you.